Question number 11. The equation 12x squared plus 6x minus 3 all over bx minus 3 is equal to negative 2x minus 23 over bx minus 3 is true for all values of x except 3 over b, where b is a constant. What is the value of b? So what we want to determine here is the value of b coming from these equations or rational equation above. And notice that here we have x cannot be equal to 3 over b because that will make our denominator here bx minus 3 equal to 0. And when we are dealing with rational equation, we avoid denominator or having denominator equal to 0 because that will give us a undefined evaluation for this rational expression. So here, to find the value of b, we're going to evaluate, or we're going to simplify this rational equation above. And in order for us to do that, we have to find first the common denominator for all of these terms. And let's rewrite it here and solve for b. So we have 12x squared plus 6x minus 23 all over bx minus 3 is equal to negative 2x minus 23 over bx minus 3. And so we have to multiply this equation by the common denominator. And so here we have bx minus 3. Here the denominator is bx minus 3. Here the denominator obviously is 1. And so the common denominator for all of this is bx minus 3. So we can first multiply this equation by bx minus 3. So we have to put it inside the parentheses. And so this term here, the expression at the left of equal sign, we have to multiply bx minus 3, and we're left with 12x squared plus 6x minus 23, because this bx minus 3 will be cancelled out because of it is multiplied by bx minus 3, and so bx minus 3 divided by bx minus 3 is equal to 1. So we'll have here 12x squared plus 6x minus 23 equals, we're going to multiply this term as well with bx minus 3. So we have negative 2x multiplied by bx minus 3 minus this term 23 over bx minus 3 divided multiplied by bx minus 3 as well. And so when we multiply this 23 over bx minus 3 by bx minus 3, this bx minus 3 in the denominator will be cancelled out. And so we're left with 23. Okay? Now, from this linear equation, from this equation here, we eliminated all the denominator already, and we're going to simplify it in order for us to find the value of b. And so let's do that. So we're going to distribute this negative 2x inside this bx minus 3 here. Alright? So let's do that. This will be equal to 2x squared plus 6x minus 23. That is equals, we have negative 2x plus times bx is negative 2bx squared. The negative 2x times negative 3, that is positive 6x, and we have here minus 23. And then we're going to combine like terms, but before we do that, let's bring every term in this side of equal sign, in this left side of equal sign. So let's take this negative 2, positive 6x, negative 2bx squared plus 6x minus 23, all of this in the left side of equal sign. And so let's copy 12x times, or x squared, 12x squared, and here we have plus 2b. plus 2bx squared. And next is, we have here 6x plus 6x. Here we have negative 6x. And here next is negative 23 minus 23. Here it will become positive 23. And this, all of this equal to 0 because we already transposed every single term from this right side of equal sign. Now let's simplify this by combining like terms. So here we have x squared and x squared, so we have x squared, let's factor that out, we have 12 plus 2b. And here we have positive 6x and negative 6x, this will be equal to 0, and negative 23 plus 23 is equal to 0 as well. So we are left with x squared plus x squared times 12 plus 2b is equal to 0. And so let's divide both sides with x squared. And so we have here, you cancel this x squared here, and then we're left with 12 plus 2b. And this is equal to 0 divided by any number, it will be equal to 0. And then let's find the value of b here. And to do that, let's transpose this back there in the right side of equal sign. Since here it's positive, it will become negative. So it will become negative 12. And since this remain in this side, so it will remain 2b. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2 to cancel this 2 here, and we're left with b, that is equal to negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. So finally, the answer or the value of b from that rational equation above is equal to negative 6. And let's find what letter is that in our choices here. And we'll see that negative 6 falls into letter B. So the answer should be letter B. The value of 6 is equal to negative, rather, the value of B is equal to negative 6.